Imagine you are outside, trying to find the location, but suddenly Google Maps stop connecting to the internet. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. The first and most common reason is weak or no internet connection. Open a browser to your choice. Type internet speed test. Wait for a moment to test your internet speed. If you have weak internet, swipe down from top, turn aeroplane mode on for 10 to 20 seconds. Then turn off. Now go to settings. Scroll down and tap apps. Search for Google Map. Tap for stop. Go to storage. Tap clear cache and tap clear data. Then go to Google Play Store. Search for Google Map. If update available, then update it immediately. Now, simply restart your phone. After restarting, open Google Map again and check if it connects. And that's it. All of these methods should fix the Google Map cannot connect problem on your device. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.